Hello YouTube, this is AR10 doing a VR for my friend Eric Ebomi for the AR10 giveaway for hashtag Justin's Final Mission. $10 you could enter in for a nice AR10 rifle, and the funds go to help raise money for Justin's Final Mission on building cabins to help support veteran suicide. We can't have 22 suicides a day. You know, that's just unacceptable for our military men and women. But my positive outtake for my Trump presidency that I would like to see is better economy, better prices on everything, more businesses starting out into the USA instead of sending all our business overseas. You know, that's unacceptable. We got people that needs jobs here in the States, and we have the facilities that's closed down. We need to reopen them to start building stuff again in the United States. And hopefully we could see more relaxed gun rights, like the Hearing Protection Act. I'd like to drop that so you don't have to pay a government tax stamp of $200 just to buy a suppressor to suppress the noise on firearms. I'd like to see lower prices for firearms and ammo. But go check Ebomi's out. Right here is my page for activeheroes.org, where I put $10 here. And we'll scroll down here and send my gift of my $10 so I can get entered in for the giveaway. There we go. Yeah, I'll share that on my Facebook. There we go. There's a good picture of our friend Justin Finch. He's a great guy. Had to lose him due to cancer. That's unacceptable. Okay, get out of my way there. Okay, there's my one-time donation, Eric, for the $10 to help support our good friend Justin. Hopefully we could get all the money raised up to help build those cabins. Alright, Eric, please enter me in. Thank you very much, YouTube, for watching. This is AR10 signing out. Stay armed, stay safe, and always carry. Lock and loaded. Goodbye, my friends.